Yeah, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, wherever you're from. I don't know why I keep saying that, but yeah, nice to meet everybody. This is a walkthrough on Imọran AI, an AI chatbot I built to test and learn AI's decay by herself. So I'm just going to show you a walkthrough of the app. So this is just a basic landing page for it because it's just a walkthrough on what I learned and stuff like that. So from here you can already see the preview of the app. So it's using Google Gemini for the underhood thinking and everything. You can like try it now and stuff like that. So is the about us. You can get like a lot of information about it. The major reason why I built it was because I was trying to solve a personality based chatbot. Basically, what I mean by personality based chatbot is that it has different personalities you can chat with. Because chatting with ChatGPT, Gemini is always boring with me. I don't know why, but so I was like, let me just try and create a personality based AI for me to test with my friends and like, yeah, it's beautiful Nigeria and also it's free to use because most of the personalities are Nigerians. So you're gonna see a lot of nuance and a lot of vibe. Like it's Nigerian, yeah. So it's free to use forever because Gemini is free and API is free. At least the one I'm using currently is free and well, if you want to use it, you don't need to pay no subscription, nothing like that, no paywall or anything. It's free to use. And your data is yours. If you want your data deleted, you can email me and I'll delete it for you. So all right. So it's like available in light and dark mode. So we're just gonna try it out now. We have a simple login. So you can sign up here, create with either this or you can create with GitHub or Google. Currently, I just feel like Google is the best. I'll remove GitHub, but a lot of people said they want it, so I left it there. So I'm just going to log in. I already have an account with Google, so I'm just going to log into that account. So from here, you can now go to your dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see your account information here. You can log out and everything. And yeah, that's all about that. So these are the personality based. So there are five personalities. Yeah, five. There's Uncle Suru, Anti Kind, Anti Strict, and Paddy. Paddy is more or less like a Gen Z in Nigeria that just talks like a Gen Z. To be honest, normal is just like a normal we chat with chatbot. So I'm just going to like ask Paddy like explain AGI to me. So it's just going to think and yeah, all your all your chats are being saved, so you can always delete your chat. That's the reason why we created you to be able to log in, so I can always like have a chat that you can go back and read your chat and stuff like that if you feel like. Now you can see the tone at how he's replying to you is like, yo, paddy, it be like say you want to learn something deep today. So basically, it's just like speaking pidgin and Gen Z kind of vibe with you, and like just like the vibe is that. So basically, you can see explaining it to you and stuff like that. You can also attach files to it. This image, so you can attach like documents. Come here. You can attach like document to it. You can see. so, so you can see it's you can attach files and you can now attach like documents and you can be like, oh, yeah, my CV. So you can see it's like replied for the picture. So it's like okay, maybe a river lagoon with the bridge, some distant like vibe. Right here, big mood. And so you can see like I told you I should like read my CV. So it's like okay, final verdict. But as it did now, I will be like we we fix some critical details and only does complaint name. The CV could jump to like so it's like the tone and the vibe is more like a friend or personality based. So it's you can always like change the personality anyhow you want and yeah. So basically the goal for it was that I built it to like solve that issue for me, to solve the issue for me and be like, I can be able to chat with a chatbot that feels more like home. So that's why, if you notice, most of the taglines are always like, oh, wisdom like home. So it's like talking to a friend, in like in Nigeria and stuff like that. So you can always like chat with like different personalities. Let's chat with Auntie Street. Your aunt, I got a job at SF and in tech as a so you say she criticize the way I'm talking to her, but but it's just like, so is it, I told you she criticize. It's just like your aunt in Nigeria that like always angry if you don't greet her and stuff like that. So it's just like more of a fun project to learn AI is the key. Learn how to publish an AI app, chatbots using Vercel or using Next.js to like streamline the whole framework for this to work. And yeah, so the goal was to just like experiment and not to build like a simple chatbot that anybody can just modify like a normal chatbot. I wanted to put a sweet button in it, which is like, the personality is the cherry on top. And I just wanted something like, okay, that feels more like home. That's why you have like different personalities. That was my goal for it. Anyways, you can see your aunt. Yeah, is that how you greet your audio? As less some respect. This system prompt is very mean. Anyways, you can go, okay. Yeah, but listen to me, blah 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 blah. Just not slacking off. Yeah, I will. I don't need you telling me that. You see now the reply will get like very straight. Look at this. So now you're an adult, a big soft, and you know everything. Let me tell you, my friend. You always need some. I don't. So you see the oh the so the whole premises of like building something like this is for the fun, the giggles, and like building something I like, because that's my goal. Always, anytime I'm learning new things, I always like to like build to learn. So that's why this project is like this. So you can see the reply. You can see the reply. Young man, is that how you speak to your elders? Is that how you pray? I know they did it because I helped them with. So yeah, like the goal was to just learn something while building something cool. So you can always like go through your past project and see. So you can see, you can always go back to the chart and see the chart, and yeah. So it's free to use and you can use it if you want to. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Cheers.